Welcome to the video where we will tackle a common issue that many beginners face when using OOP. The problem we're addressing today is how to make a SubWindow class inherit properties from the main window class in Python's tkinter library, while ensuring that self.root is set to tk top level, instead of tk. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. By passing a required value for self.root to the base class constructor, with a default where the base class chooses tk, we ensure that only one root is instantiated before geometry and title are called. This way, we avoid creating multiple instances of tkinter and maintain a clean inheritance structure. Building upon the solution, we can further simplify the process by directly passing in the appropriate values during object initialization. By doing so, we eliminate the need for conditional statements and make the code more concise and straightforward. This approach enhances readability and maintains a clear separation of concerns within the classes. In summary, we've successfully addressed the issue of inheriting properties with a different root instantiation in tkinter. By following these solutions, you can efficiently manage your GUI classes and ensure a seamless inheritance hierarchy. I hope you found this video helpful, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more coding tips and tricks.